This is the RPM48S stereo 4-channel powered mixer with Bluetooth, echo, EQ, and more. This 500-watt powered mixer is perfect for pro and DJ setups, school and conference events, karaoke, houses of worship, coffee houses, and open mic nights, and then for home use for band practice, house parties, and other custom applications. This model is an upgrade to our RPM45BT. This model is a stereo amplifier where the RPM45BT is a parallel mono amplifier. We also upgraded the power so it will be perfect for speakers with more power. But before I say anything else, let's go check out a demo we have set up.
What's up, you guys? So as you can see, I have my RPM48S all set up here and ready to go. I'm running two 8-ohm speakers in parallel for each channel just to show you how powerful this amp is. I also have a microphone set up to channel 1, so if I turn it on, check 1, 2, you should hear my voice coming through the speakers. Now each channel has a 2-band EQ so we can boost or cut treble or bass frequencies. Starting with the treble, if I turn that up, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, you'll start to hear more high end coming out of my voice. And if I bring it all the way down, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, you won't hear any of that high end at all. And let's bring it back to the middle, check 1, 2. Same thing for the bass knob, if I bring that up, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, you'll start to hear a lot more low end coming through. And if I lower it all the way down, check 1, 2, none of that low end at all. And let's bring it back to the middle, check 1, 2. Each channel also has an echo knob so we can give our voice or instruments an echo effect. And we can also fine tune the sound of the delay under the digital delay section with the time and repeat knob. So just to show you guys, I'm going to raise the echo knob here on channel 1. Okay, right now we have that spacey echo sound. See if we turn this time knob all the way down. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Now we have like a slapback delay effect, which is also really cool. Check. And last but not least, we can also connect a smartphone or tablet to the device, which is really great for karaoke setups and much more. So I'm just going to the Bluetooth settings of my phone, searching for the device that reads Rockville, clicking on it to pair, and you'll hear that sound letting you know the devices are connected. So let's hear how the music sounds.
Now this mixer has a super rugged design with the powered mixer being housed in a wooden cabinet with a carry handle on the top for portability. This mixer is super user friendly. There are 4 microphone line channels, but each channel is almost exactly the same, so let's go through one now. Each channel has an XLR input for microphones, and right above it there is a 1/4-inch line input. You can use this 1/4-inch input for instruments like guitar or bass and for line level inputting. You just have to set the volume knob accordingly depending on if you are using an instrument or a line level signal. Channel 4 on this mixer is the only channel that is a little different because it features RCA line level inputs instead of a 1/4-inch line level input. Each channel also has 2-band bass and treble EQ knobs so you can boost or cut the treble or boost or cut the bass. The mixer also features a 3-band treble, middle, and low EQ for even more control to fine-tune the overall sound around your taste. Each channel also has an echo knob to control the amount of echo on each channel. This is all controlled by the digital delay panel over here. Over here is where you can set the level of the digital delay and then adjust the time, how fast or slow the echo is, and the repeat, how many times the echo will repeat before you can't hear it anymore. And then on each channel you can dial in the effect to taste with the echo knob. The mixer features a beautiful Bluetooth module with a LCD display that allows you to toggle through different inputs like USB, SD, and Bluetooth. All of these inputs have their own volume knob that is labeled MP3 right here. So if you want to adjust the volume of the Bluetooth or the USB, you do it with this MP3 volume knob. There's also an included remote that you can use to control the LCD Bluetooth module. Over here we have our phantom power switch to activate 48 volts of phantom power if you're ever using a condenser microphone on any channel. Just remember that using a condenser microphone with a powered mixer setup can be very feedback prone, so just make sure you set your gain levels very conservatively. And over here we have our line channel that has RCA line inputs as well as a 1/4 inch line input. You can use this channel for iPads, iPods, tape decks, CD players, anything that might use RCA or 3.5 to RCA cables. This line in has its own volume knob to control the level right here. And above that line in, we have our RCA rec out, so you can send the signal of everything coming through the mixer to a recording device and record everything. This is especially useful for conference talks, band practices, and live performances. There's also a 1/4 inch line output to send the mixer signal to an additional power amp, powered subwoofer, or active speaker, which is great for bigger professional setups. And finally, we have our master volume knob, which controls the overall volume of the whole mixer. On the back, we have our 1/4 inch speaker outputs to go to your speakers. And remember, each channel is 4 ohm stable, so you can power multiple speakers off each channel if you match the impedances correctly. Just don't use 2 4 ohm speakers together on one channel, or it could damage your speakers and the mixer. So if you're looking for a professional, powerful, and portable stereo 4-channel powered mixer with a Bluetooth, EQ, echo, and more, look no further than the RPM48S from Rockville.